Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Minty Pickaxe Easy Guide. Open the event menu, then visit the seasonal shop to locate the Minty Pickaxe offer and track required tasks. Complete daily challenges, collect event tokens, and exchange them for the pickaxe before the event ends. If you miss steps, check event calendars and trade with friends when possible. Stay patient and grind consistent sessions for best results. Start by checking the Limited Time Events tab, then bookmark the shop location to watch for restocks and timed drops. Note currency requirements and prioritize missions that reward event tokens, focusing on high-yield tasks like boss runs or time trials. Coordinate with friends to share tips and split objectives when possible. Keep an eye on patch notes and community channels for hidden triggers or bonus weekends that increase drop rates significantly often. Thanks for watching so far. Please subscribe and like if you are finding this video helpful and want more tips. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, a handy companion while you farm items or chat with friends. Check the description for the link and other deals that support the channel. It boosts immersion and helps time sessions with alarms and timers for farming efficiency. Now let's get back to the video. Understand cost variations across servers and be ready to spend event tokens or modest currency when a discounted bundle appears. Compare offers carefully, using 16:9 ratio when evaluating bundles versus single purchases for best value. If trading, verify item authenticity and set clear terms to avoid disputes. Save screenshots and transaction notes for security. Practice patience and only buy from trusted sources to protect your account and your investment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.